Join me as I dive into the challenge of finding the best health insurance plan to protect my contractor from financial ruin. As independent contractors, we take on a lot of risks. We're responsible for our own schedules, our own clients, and our own benefits. But one of the biggest risks we take is going without health insurance. One unexpected medical bill, one hospital stay, and suddenly our financial futures are on the line. That's why it's so important to prioritize health insurance. It's not just a safety net, it's a safeguard against financial ruin. When you're a contractor, you're not entitled to the same benefits as full-time employees. You don't have access to group health insurance rates, and you're not protected by workers' compensation laws. That means that when you get sick or hurt, you're on your own. Without health insurance, a single hospital visit can set you back tens of thousands of dollars. A chronic illness can be financially devastating, and if you're unable to work, you'll lose your income on top of it all. Contractors without health insurance often have to make impossible choices between paying their medical bills and paying their rent. They have to choose between filling their prescriptions and filling their gas tanks. The stress of living without health insurance is overwhelming, and it's a real and present danger for far too many contractors. You might be thinking, I'm young, I'm healthy, I don't need health insurance. But the truth is, accidents can happen to anyone, at any time. And when they do, you'll be glad you have health insurance to fall back on. In the United States, we have a system that's set up to help people who are injured or ill, but only if you have the right insurance. That's why it's so crucial to have a plan in place before you need it. Without health insurance, you're not just risking your financial future, you're risking your health, your relationships, and your entire way of life. When it comes to health insurance, contractors have a few different options to choose from. You can get an individual plan through the Affordable Care Act marketplace, or you can purchase a private plan from an insurance company. You might also be able to get coverage through a spouse or partner's employer-sponsored plan. Some contractors even choose to form groups with other freelancers to negotiate better rates with insurance companies. Whatever option you choose, the key is to make sure you have coverage that will protect you in case of an emergency. One of the worst-case scenarios for a contractor without health insurance is a surprise medical bill. Imagine getting a call from a hospital saying that you owe tens of thousands of dollars for a surgery you didn't even know you needed. It's a nightmare, and it happens more often than you might think. But with the right health insurance plan, you can rest easy knowing that you're protected against those kinds of surprises. Let me tell you a story about a contractor named Sarah. She was a successful freelance writer, making a good living and living a healthy lifestyle. But one day, she was in a car accident and ended up in the hospital for a week. She didn't have health insurance, and she had to pay out of pocket for every single expense, from the ambulance ride to the hospital room to the physical therapy sessions afterwards. By the time she was back on her feet, she had racked up over $100,000 in medical bills. She had to declare bankruptcy, and she had to rebuild her business from scratch. If only she had invested in health insurance, her outcome could have been very different. What Sarah's story teaches us is that accidents can happen to anyone, at any time. And when they do, health insurance can be the difference between financial stability and financial ruin. Don't wait until it's too late. Prioritize your health insurance today, and safeguard your financial future for tomorrow. So, what's the takeaway? Health insurance is not just a nice to have, it's a must-have for contractors who want to protect their financial futures. Don't take the risk of going without it. Get covered, get protected, and get on with your life. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any thoughts or experiences about health insurance as a contractor, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on protecting your business and your financial future. We invite you to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency TV or go to www.camaraderiehealthagency.com.